Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about overview of Visual Basic Editor window and your first VBA program. So starting with opening VBE means Visual Basic Editor window. So open Excel, go to Developer tab, click Visual Basic and you get your window. Another method is to press Alt F11 and you get your Visual Basic window. The third option is to right click on any sheet tab and say view code and you get your Visual Basic Editor window. So when you open the VBA editor, you will see several important windows. Each one has a specific role. So this is menu bar, which is having file, edit, view, insert, debug, run, tools. Used to manage modules, run macros, debug code and customize settings. So there is a toolbar below the menu bar in which you have run, break, reset, save, quick access to frequently used actions while coding. Then comes the project window, project explorer, in which you are having your view code, view object and toggle folders. It shows all open Excel workbooks and VBA objects such as sheet, this workbook, module, user form help you to navigate between different VBA components. You can right click here and you can insert user form, module, class, module, etc. Then comes the code window. This is your code window, main area where you write and edit VBA code. Each object means sheet, module, form has its own code window. Then comes the property window. Displays property of the selected object such as name, caption, visible, enabled, mainly used while working with user form and control. It modifies the control and edits the user forms, etc. Then comes the immediate window. Testing code quickly. So this is your testing code quickly. So this is your run sub user form, means you can run your program right away by clicking on this or pressing F5. Then there is a break control option. Then there is a reset option. So this is your VBA editor. Now coming to writing your first VBA code. So understanding how a VBA program is written, its basic structure and syntax rule. So what is a VBA program? It is a set of instructions written to automate tasks in Excel. Every VBA program is written inside sub-procedures or function procedure. So what we have to do, we have to write sub-procedure and inside it we have to give our instructions. So let's write our first program saying sub and we want to display a message box saying welcome to VBA programming. So we will say first macro. This is the name given to your first program and you have to close it. And as you see, I press the enter, there comes a end sub. So every program is written inside sub, name and end sub. So whatever you write in between will be your program. So what we will write, message box. So display a message box, you have to give this command and you have to write welcome to VBA programming, and this is done. So pressing run or pressing F5 will run this command. So here you see VBA programming is a task we have performed using our VBA coding. So now coming to the option of saving this macro. So what we can do, we can press Ctrl S and we can Excel macro enabled workbook and we can say first macro. So this is saved. So by selecting Excel macro enabled workbook, it gives a extension of Excel SM. So always save your macro books in Excel SM format. So in next video we will move ahead in this programming and hope you find this video helpful, and if so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.